In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell music on Sellfy. Once you've logged into your account, start on the dashboard. From there, head to the Products section and choose Add New Product. This is your starting point for getting your track or bundle ready for sale, and it only takes a few clicks to set everything up. When the product type options appear, select Digital Product. Because you're selling audio, this is the right choice. It tells the platform to deliver downloadable files to your buyers immediately after purchase, so there's no manual fulfillment needed on your end. Next, upload your audio. You can add individual files like MP3, WAV, or FLAC, or you can upload a compressed zip folder if you're offering multiple versions, stems, or a small bundle. Sellfy lets you include up to 50 files per product, which is great for deluxe editions or alternate mixes. Keep in mind that the maximum file size can vary depending on your plan. If your files are large, consider trimming silence or using a zip to keep things tidy. Clear file names help too, so buyers instantly recognize what they're downloading. Now it's time to make your product shine with a strong title and description. Be clear and descriptive. Include the track name, the genre, and useful technical details like BPM. If it's relevant, you can mention the key, the mood, or whether it's instrumental or vocal. Use the description to set expectations, explaining exactly what's included, such as the number of versions or file formats. This clarity helps reduce buyer questions and makes your product easier to find. Set your price based on the value you're offering. Consider the production quality, the number of files, and how specialized the track is. Simple pricing works well. Round numbers or familiar endings like .99 can feel intuitive. You can always adjust later if you see strong demand or want to align with similar products in your niche. Add preview images to complete the presentation. Eye-catching cover art can be the difference between a browse and a buy. Use a clean, high-resolution image that fits the vibe of your music, ideally in a square format. Keep text minimal and readable so it looks good at small sizes too. When everything looks right, go ahead and save the product. That's it. Your music is now set up for sale on Sellfy. Take a moment to review your listing, and you're ready to share it with your audience.